We're Champion King Enterprise located at the western part of Zhuhai, in Guangdong. The company has nearly 1,000 staffs. Our key product lines include houseware, kitchenware, baby kits, garden equipment, electrical appliance, etc. Our company switched from 2D CAD to SolidWorks, then we remained to design everything inside SolidWorks. We have over 10 technical staffs in mold making operation. We started to work with manual operations to finish the mold making. A few years ago, we realized the products are getting more complex surface and structure. We need to migrate from 2D to 3D also in the mold design operation. Our previous 2D approach to prepare mold design need engineers to figure out the 3D mold structure in their heads. This is not easy for most mold designers. The speed to complete complex mold design in the 2D approach is very slow and prompting to errors. Our customers require us to reduce the time to market from 6 months to 3 months. This working pressure is rising every day. The critical point is no longer on the product design but the mold design and mold making operation. When your competitors need 6 weeks to complete the mold, if we can complete the task in 4 weeks, this will be our competitive edge. The competition in the China and world market is very intense today. To keep ourselves competitive, we have to ensure the product and mold design operations to be in shortest time and at highest quality. In the past few years, we relied on a pure SolidWorks environment and manual mold design operation. The speed was not competitive to the market need. The fastest speed we achieved during this period for a mold design project was a week. And it took over 10 days in average. Thanks for the introduction by ICT. They came to introduce us 3DQuickMold. We tried a few projects using 3DQuickMold and found the productivity was almost double. For a project which used to take 10 days, with 3DQuickMold we may now complete in 6 to 7 days. The reduction of overall product and mold development time, it cut our costing much as well. Since we use 3DQuickMold only 2 months, we have set our target to reduce the mold design cycle to 3 to 4 days for most projects. In order to achieve this, we need to take more training from 3DQuickMold. Both mold designers and technical heads will join the 3DQuickMold training. With experiences built up every day, we are confident more productivity gain can be achieved. Today China market has a big demand for mold engineers. The supply from the schools is never enough. Our company has a strong culture to train our own engineers. This is a key factor to keep a strong and committed technical team. And the company can remain competitive.
I have been working in Champion King for some years. In the past I keep using SolidWorks to do mold design. The design of mold structures depending on the model created in SolidWorks product shape. Standard mold design for parts may take up a day but for a complex part it would take several days. This time variation put a lot of uncertainty of delivery time to customers. We wish to find a system can produce simple or complex mold in a comparable time to minimize the time fluctuation. Today customers cannot accept big time fluctuation. We felt this was a key obstacle to improve our design productivity. During that time, ICT introduced us 3DQuickMold. Immediately we put our time resources to use this new software. We are excited to know if it can reduce our overall mold production time. During the training, we are lucky to have 3DQuickMold core developer, Dr. Le Shuling, to go through many real cases and their mold design all done in 3DQuickMold. The sharing of know-how and using of 3DQuickMold combined to educate us how to speed up our current mold design cycle. We are very satisfied. The 2 days 3DQuickMold training helps us a lot how to apply 3DQuickMold to different cases. We had 4 technical staffs to attain this training and technical discussion. The more important, the training is tailor-made in our product context rather than a standard training. Almost 10 different types of our products have been studied based on the 3DQuickMold mold design approach. After the training, we started to use the system all by ourselves. From time to time we had some questions in applying 3DQuickMold to our new specific problems. Through the emails, we got solutions from the 3DQuickMold support right away. ICT sent technical support to us on regular time basis. We use this opportunity to clarify other higher level usage problem. After this 2 months production level in using 3DQuickMold, we gradually handhold the system confidently. We can stick with 3DQuickMold's approach to complete them one by one. I found in my case, at least 30% faster can be achieved after I used 3DQuickMold in comparison just using SolidWorks alone.
The most challenging part in mold design is the parting. After using 3DQuickMold I can finish the works by 30%. My experience in using 3DQuickMold is still short, so sometimes I still have problem in applying 3DQuickMold to do parting for very complex plastic part. Another module we used 3DQuickMold much is the component design. The full libraries of 3DQuickMold helps us to reduce the time for building custom parts from our suppliers.
Compared with other 3D mold design systems in the market, 3DQuickMold allows us to modify the mold design easily. The built-in component libraries help us very much. It saves our time and we do not need to start everything from nothing. The speed of 3DQuickMold is comfortable. In these 2 months, I managed to use 3DQuickMold to finish most of my projects. Some projects I could not complete it all in 3DQuickMold, because my time on the software was short and my skill set was not yet competent. For them I need to go back in my old way to finish my work. This is not a problem at all. Change takes time. Combining the new way and the old way, we get the benefits from both systems. The objective is to speed up our mold design operation. With more skill set being built up in time, I think we shall migrate more and more design jobs in 3DQuickMold definitely.
I joined Champion King as a fresh engineering graduate. During my study, I know SolidWorks is only good for product design. Most people are not using SolidWorks to do mold design work. In Champion King I realized 3DQuickMold and SolidWorks can also be used for mold design. Compared with other systems like UG, Pro E, I felt that SolidWorks environment was very direct and fast to learn. For mold changes, 3DQuickMold is very fast. It uses solid modeling approach to do parting. Unlike other surface approach in UG and Pro E, they are time consuming and very tedious. 3DQuickMold is definitely making SolidWorks an ideal mold design system.